Welcome to Koots Moto, your average rider here. Today something exciting is happening, at least for me. I'm getting new tires. This here in the blue shirt is Doug. He's the owner of Koots Moto, and he was gracious enough to squeeze me in to change out my tires. He starts with the rear tire. Removing the tire valve and then squeezing to pop the bead. If you're watching this and thinking that my tires are perfectly fine and don't need to be replaced, well, you'd be correct. At this point, they're about 5,500 kilometers on the tires. But when has that stopped me from changing something before? This is a rim clamp. It holds the rim in place and can rotate. This arm comes over and Doug pries the bead up and over the rim. Once on top, the arm finishes removing the bead. Once the top is done, he does the same with the bottom, and like that, it's off. And here's the new tires. Just look at these, I'm so excited. Right now I believe he's marking rotation. These are the Bridgestone Battlax AX41S Scrambler tires. This is the factory rear tire size. Doug adds some lubricant to make it go on the rim easier. The process is the same as taking it off, just in reverse of course. He adds high pressure air until the bead locks in place. He places the valve back in and airs the tire up. This here is how he balances the tire. Once the tire settles, he adds weight to the top. When the tire no longer spins, it's balanced. Then it gets installed the same way it came out. Next up is the front tire. This is also the factory tire size for my bike. I absolutely love how the tires look on the bike. Oh yeah, this is Eric. If you stop by and see Doug, he may be there as well. I just had to try the tires out. Not that this is hard terrain, but it was fun nonetheless. Thanks so much to Doug and TJ at Koots Moto. Great guys, great motorcycle shop. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.